Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today is a very easy project. We're going to be replacing the headlight on a 2010 Ford Transit van. Here, and the way you get to it is down in the back over here. You'll see there's a cover on this here. You just take that cover and you turn it, and you take the cover off. And we're going to take that cover out of there because we're going to need it to put it back in. Then what you're going to do is there's a little plug on the back of the headlight back here. See that red plug? And what you're going to do, I'll show you. You pull that red plug back, and then you push down on the tab. On the very top of that red plug, there's a little tab there. You press that down. Let me take the light out. I'll show you. There's a little tab right up on the top of this light right here. You just push that tab in and you can pull it and the headlight comes right out. Alright, so you push back on that red tab and you push down on this green piece right here and the headlight pops right out. Now obviously the headlight is going to be in that location down there, and the way you get it out is you turn the headlight alright, after you unplug it, it'll look just like that when the headlight is in place. Then what you do is you take the bulb and you rotate it clockwise like this, and then you pull it out, and then we'll get the replacement and we'll put the replacement in. Word of advice is when you're going to install this light bulb, do not touch the glass portion of the light, because if you touch the glass, you're going to have the bulb burn out prematurely. Now you remember exactly how you took it out. This tab facing to the top. We're going to put it in, and then we're going to turn it and lock it in place. And that's goes right back in where it came out, and then we're going to take that clip that we unplugged. We're going to push this back onto it. I'll show you. You'll hear it snap in, and then that little red clip on top, you're going to push that red clip all the way back in, and it should look like that when it's finished. And then we're going to put our cover back on it, and the cover just goes on the light, and you turn it and it locks right back in place, nice and tight. That's it. And if you did your job right, you should be able to go inside and turn the light on and your headlights work. As you can see, replacing a headlight is not that difficult. It's just a little bit of a tight spot. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.